Hi guys, my name is Pierre from Can-Am, SpyderAccessories.com, and welcome to the Spyder Shop. In this video, we're going to be doing the installation of our front nose protection for the RT Series 2020 and up Can-Am Spyder. You're going to need a microfiber cloth and some rubbing alcohol. Go ahead and clean the surface. The first thing I recommend you do is you simply put it down, center it, and then have a look at the kind of spacing you're going to have all the way around. We're going to be starting from here to there. So I recommend you simply peel off a little bit, about a third of it, and then just rip it off. Start by pushing down the point exactly where you want to start. Lift it up this way and peel the rest. As you're laying it down, you want to make sure that you're eyeing the edge and you always keep the same gap as you're pushing it down. It's like rolling out the carpet, but just make sure that you follow the ledge with the same spacing. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side and you're done. That was easy enough. Now, if you're looking for additional parts and pieces of protection, whether it's the carbon fiber or the color match, go on Can-Am, SpyderAccessories.com. That's Can-Am, SpyderAccessories.com, and you'll see all those products and a lot more. We've got about 450 products now on our website. Once again, thank you very much, guys. My name is Pierre. I'm out.